Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Home Remedies. Today I will share with you an awesome breakfast recipe that will make you lose your fat easily and without any hassle. Yes, we are going to delve into oatmeal to discover its health benefits. Make sure to stay with me till the end of the video to get full information. Breakfast at your home probably doesn't look like a buffet on a cruise ship. You are in a race with the clock and it's difficult to eat healthy. The good news about oatmeal is that it's quick and also is ideal for weight control. Plain oatmeal is high in fiber and low in calories. It's also inexpensive. Why do nutritionists always add oatmeal in your breakfast? Here are some benefits of eating oatmeal. It's the best source of energy. That is why it is recommended for the first meal, especially for those who study or spend long hours working. It's good for the heart. Oatmeal is rich in omega-3 and linoleic acids, which will help you reduce the bad cholesterol and improve heart and brain activity. It helps the process of weight loss. Consume it on empty stomach with soy or skim milk, with orange juice or some nuts added. It is used in beauty treatments. Use the beneficial properties of oatmeal by consuming it internally or externally. Mix it with moisturizing cream to get an incredible face exfoliant. It will be cheaper than some regular beauty treatment and the results will be the same. It fights cancer. According to many studies, oatmeal can fight cancer due to its phytochemicals. Consuming oatmeal for breakfast every day can reduce the risk of breast or colon cancer by 10%. It prevents osteoporosis. Calcium levels prevent demineralization of the bones. It keeps the central nervous system healthy. The B vitamins contribute to balanced functioning of the nervous system. It contains important proteins. Oatmeal contains 8 essential amino acids, which turn into valuable sources of proteins and promote formation of new tissues. It improves digestion. Oatmeal helps in reducing gallbladder acids, prevents constipation by facilitating intestinal transit. It is rich in slow carbohydrates absorption, which keep the feeling of fullness longer. It helps with thyroid conditions. Iodine from oatmeal helps the gland to function properly. It cleanses toxins. The huge amounts of amino acids stimulate production of leptin in the liver, which takes part in cleansing the body from toxins. Oatmeal will also clean the arteries with its fibers, which act as a barrier from the accumulated fat deposits that cause cholesterol, cardiac and other problems. It controls blood sugar levels. If you suffer from diabetes, add oatmeal to your diet to keep balanced glycemic level after the meal. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Goodbye.